Get you draw so good in shake. Get brought a gaja. I could have here. What woman why I see out there took all my changes. You come born a trot. Now much a sugar amount I got fatal leque. Do one and do money shaman do what I can't. But that's my sister and cook it. Come up with a moon and cake to choose over. So they took a hug before a daybreak, a bedroom walking in a way to lie. Let go. Young guy sharp shooter. I be sharp giver. Can not much and gum. O guy who do quick, let me go.
Example.
Make to go walk on the table, Anoja, Mbaga Kanuku, not matching gum. Or we don't finish. 1 year ago. See you next time. Every door. Go to Agmeguso. And what you're not going to for under 24 hours. It is Abalim Shiago.
Okay.
Shiago map Ghana 40 Maguzro. So take Guzro can have.
What up, ladies and gentlemen? I go by the name MC Odoguspendo. Today we're in London, Canada Water Recycle, and I have my boss in the house today. I have the boss all the way from ABK, that's America. My boss, I mean, put your hands together. My boss, come. You come from America, yeah?
Yeah.
How's America today, big man?
Yeah, man.
How's America today?
America, yeah, man.
Yo, man.
How are you?
All right, I have a quick question to ask you, sir.
Okay.
You know, I have a question to ask you, very, very important.
Okay.
Now, Imo, if God give you a chance to create yourself, okay, let me put it this way. If you have 24 hours to be a lady, what are you going to achieve? You're a man now, and you have 24 hours, just 24 hours to be a lady. What are you going to achieve?
I do more than that. Nda de janya huma bob. I really alarm her, carry a shiri go her way up a womb because some woman in there will look me and pay me. So look, and then when woman walk and they're ready to give even their kidney, check crossing bro, ECOWAS seed, the seed of vulture, Chisriote, she Gaia, wine, just for a test. Not even a test, just for a date, you know, not face to face. So, just 24 hours. Person. President time. Really, I have president.
This is 24 hours.
24 hours. I can meet to up. I mean, yeah, just 1 hour. Relation and cook it. Come up and cake to choose over. So they took a hug before a daybreak. A bedroom walking in a way to lie. Let go. Young guy who is sharp shooter. I be sharp giver. Can not much and gum. O guy who do quick, let me go.
Example.
Make to go walk on the table. Anoja, Mbaga Kanuku, not matching gum. Or we don't finish. 1 year ago. See you next time. Every door. Go to Agmeguso. And what you're not going to for under 24 hours. It is Abalim Shiago.
Okay.
Shiago map Ghana 40 Maguzro. So take Guzro can happen nowhere. And when you did them rochas was marito, so take Guzro Maniaca delight. Akajanya can delight in them. Akajanya can bush for her. She had no for her. If you my medal her soup, not that you can get Hannah. And Akajanya Pampamoga, Kiga when you work. Or group of money they brought London. Yeah, the mom walk among them mother him. Because I didn't got a mass and a tapping here. As you walk the light, I walk for him. So you end up with him. Achieve. These are the things I'm going to achieve in 24 hours. Then I got my happy because 24 hours I made you garage. Because he garage and what they got to program on. Or Chim Gana the Kumuru here or Gawagafebe. He got on the band. The farm where. Or Chim Gashebe room by 2.
And they like Roch well.
Oh, Chua. Doviana's hotel. Motor Lambagani occupy.
On 24 hours.
24 hours I gave booze. I went down area shop. I don't get it. 1 hour.
Okay, we'll get to 4 hours now. I don't get it.
I went in the pump. I came now on Instagram. And I hear Kochanaza. ana ahịa ka na-aza enwere ihe dị ka funnel akwọ ga-eme gị ya mete na-azali elu mgbe a na-eme ọchị gacha na red gị yigezi uwe mgbe ahụ gị yishia drọs agịrị na-eyi drọs nwesị ike iyi drọs maka adịghị eyi ahụ drọs na gị yiri drọs ọgụdị na-eshi ekeshi gị gburu ọta agahụ je akụje gị ya otu nwunye nwaanyị ọ sị ya ude otu ka ọ machi ejijiji kamgbe ọrụ chụrụ ọchụ amachi ejiji echi ọ ga-amụra jijiji agafeta ala ekwe ndị mmụọ na ndị mmadụ na-echi ama ndị gbote aka ya aka ntị ma that's my sister thank you ọ ihe jiri m ka nsa asarịala m asakwonu.
Okay, if you happen to be the president of Nigeria in 2 days, how much will you steal? If you happen to be a president of Nigeria for 24 hours, how much can you get?
I don't know for. And what you make is for cover. No, by any Okwaka Hana by Gahabon Tabuimo. Mbaganga. My resort to Munjriga school now here. I'm a forge. Mum, I'm a resort to Mum Sharia and Woke Maiga.
Imo, you don't understand my question. Don't be carried away.
Okay.
If you happen to be the president of Nigeria for 48 hours, that's 2 days, how much are you going to embezzle?
And when the kem ga happen? Go Lodro. Mpobanyo la braka brono. Come by hatch with a mobile kahanyam, quite back and not travel. So once I enter them to helicopter. Tractor. And let's shovel an age machine. I left caterpillar. Bulldozer and boo boy him get you. Mtiga yotem here. I'm my chili. I get what I be a ground and gaggy make. That's why I go take very money. Every look and corner of my mother house. You should even mum get Luchego Dora Miana. Oh, mum need I made you have bank.
I swear.
Me, Jama, allow kiddies place nowhere, Ebenet and Nazap. Ijama, Umaka non Kumbawasha for Lijo Hegonim. Onyan Papa Momware. Mama, Maka 1 year walk. Or Amakijama, Ijama when you can or UK. Amaka can over. Mamma and Woke, Hanile. The light. Woo! Lashayo Penicia, where the light in Arakoya, liar, Buaya bread. We go, guy, ego. Go out my bag up for evening. Walk up for me go on. Nobody should eat again. What him get so for?
He gets all the whole money.
Oh, Nigeria got a bottle. Empty handed, don't you have to be up on empty handed?
You like every got
empty we come and empty we are going. All those stress I now suffer now, I struggle. We are living with none. But I was so see, but you go do 1 night working. Okay, simple example. This is our brother now. Mobad tomorrow. R.I.P. to my brother. Look at after all the money he made, after everything. Look at how they frustrated that guy. Even in there, just at least that coffee. Okay, decorator of Masiangwa. After all your suffering, this is where you are going. I will pay a choma coffee. Fagidio table. Kissing them in hand, their neck goes. I took a honey leg bend. Ote Kahagana, Wahos. Didn't let Gahana Maya. Oh, Biniwe. It's only my color. What do you suffer? Hello. How are you? Good. Your wife? Oh, wow. Congratulations. See my wives. I have 2. So yeah,